All right, so he's gonna do 2 feet on. And 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go. And then we try to get him to do the gap jumps. Good job. And then moving object. Nice job, buddy. And then 4 feet on. You got a stray treat on there. And 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go. Good job. And let's see about him getting in this bucket again. Hop in. There he is. 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go. Great job. And then he's going to jump. Good job. And then he's going to walk across that board. All right, try one more time. That was a little better. And then tunnel. And then you pick whichever side you want to send him from. Yeah, good boy. And then you can put him in a stay. Good job. And then set yourself up over there. And so this time do it from the heel position. So he's on your left side. And you don't have to stay back there on that mat. You can go forward some. Yeah, good boy. And then jump. Now, I will say that you did a different thing with your arm than you did when we practiced before. So do that under motion that you had with your hand before. There you go. Yay, Bandit. But good jump, buddy. Yay, that